Hey everyone, and welcome back to the AI Tech channel. I'm your host, and today we're diving headfirst into the legal world, which is currently being turned upside down by AI. Think about this. How much is speed worth in legal work? What if AI could dramatically accelerate legal processes, making lawyers more efficient than ever before? That's the promise of LegalOn, but it also raises some serious questions. Is speed always the best approach? And what happens to the traditional law firm business model when AI starts doing things in minutes that used to take days? Let's unpack this, because it's about to get interesting. Get ready for some shocking revelations and potentially game-changing insights. First up, LegalOn is hosting a webinar on March 5th called Meeting the Need for Speed. They're teaming up with Artificial Lawyer to explore exactly how AI is accelerating legal work and, crucially, how that's changing client expectations. This isn't just about shaving off a few minutes here and there. We're talking about a fundamental shift in how legal services are delivered and perceived. The webinar boasts an impressive speaker lineup, including LegalOn CEO Daniel Lewis, Lyndon Renwick from Outhouse Attorneys, LegalOn's head of legal, Braegen AI, Williams, and Richard Tromans from Artificial Lawyer. They're going to be tackling some tough questions like why speed matters, how AI is impacting law firm business models, and whether in-house legal teams are about to gain a massive advantage. The webinar will explore the need for speed in legal work, examining how lawyers traditionally met that need and whether a new paradigm is emerging. We'll delve into the AI shift in legal, looking at how AI helps lawyers save time and be more efficient. But here's the kicker. Is this increased speed at odds with how law firms traditionally make money? Think about it. Billable hours are the bread and butter of many firms. If AI dramatically reduces those hours, how do they adapt? This is a critical question that could reshape the entire legal landscape. We'll also look at how in-house legal teams are leveraging AI for contracting, compliance, and due diligence, potentially accelerating the shift of work away from traditional firms. Let's not forget the opportunities for law firms in all of this. The traditional view is that tech-driven efficiency is bad for firm profitability. But what if there's a new business case for AI-driven speed? Do firms need to rethink their entire business model to embrace AI and remain competitive? This is where things get really interesting. It's not just about adopting new technology. It's about fundamentally changing how law firms operate and generate revenue. The webinar will also cover lessons for the future, from AI adoption trends to evolving client expectations. What do legal professionals need to know to navigate this rapidly changing landscape? This is a must-attend event for anyone in the legal tech space. Now, let's switch gears and talk about the other side of the AI coin: limitations. Juro is hosting a webinar with Artificial Lawyer on February 26th, focusing on the limits of AI. Are there any legal tasks AI should never do? This is a crucial conversation because while AI offers incredible potential, it's not a magic bullet. There are ethical and practical considerations that we need to address. The panel includes Alex Hamilton, CEO of Radiant Law, Tanisha Minov, Senior Legal Counsel at Yoko, Richard Mabey, CEO of Juro, and Richard Tromans from Artificial Lawyer. They're diving into what AI can and cannot do, and more importantly, what it should never do, even if technically possible. This webinar is particularly important because it forces us to confront the ethical dilemmas that arise with advanced AI. Just because we can use AI for a specific legal task doesn't necessarily mean we should. What about issues like bias, transparency, and accountability? Can we truly trust AI to make impartial decisions in sensitive legal matters? These are the questions that Juro and Artificial Lawyer are tackling head-on. It's a vital discussion for ensuring that AI is used responsibly and ethically in the legal field. It's not just about efficiency. It's about fairness, justice, and upholding the integrity of the legal system. Okay, let's move on to some exciting news. SimpleDocs, the company behind AutoNDA, has just launched Simple AI, an AI-powered playbook builder and contract review system designed specifically for in-house legal teams. This is a game-changer for efficiency and accuracy in contract management. Simple AI has been rigorously tested with dozens of global in-house teams before its full launch, so you know it's been battle-tested and ready for prime time. The web-based playbook builder allows legal professionals to design, test, and implement custom playbooks with unprecedented speed and accuracy. We even have an ALTV walkthrough of Simple AI presented by Preston Clark, CEO of SimpleDocs, followed by Q&A with Artificial Lawyer. You can find that on the ALTV channel on YouTube, which has over 145 informative legal tech videos. It's a treasure trove of information for anyone looking to stay ahead of the curve in legal tech. Simple AI's key features include AI-powered playbook building, which allows legal teams to create custom playbooks tailored to their specific needs. It also offers AI-driven contract review, which helps identify potential issues and risks in contracts. This is a huge time saver for legal professionals, allowing them to focus on more strategic tasks. Simple AI is designed to be user-friendly and accessible, even for those who aren't tech experts. It's a powerful tool that can help in-house legal teams streamline their workflows and improve their overall efficiency. By automating routine tasks, Simple AI frees up legal professionals to focus on more complex and strategic issues. Before we move on, a quick shout-out to the Legal Innovators California Conference in San Francisco on June 11th and 12th. This is a landmark event bringing together leading legal tech experts from law firms, in-house teams, and tech companies. Day 1 focuses on law firms, while Day 2 is dedicated to in-house legal teams. It's a fantastic opportunity to network, learn about the latest trends, and see the cutting-edge technologies shaping the future of law. If you're in the legal tech space, this is an event you don't want to miss. You can find more information, tickets, speaking, and sponsorship opportunities on their website. It's going to be a packed 2 days of learning and networking. Now, let's talk about something truly ambitious: predicting litigation outcomes. Braegen AI, a new legal tech startup, is launching Virtual Litigator, which they describe as a combination of an interactive database, an intake and triage platform, and most importantly, a predictive engine for disputes. It's slated to be available at the end of Q1 this year. The company claims that Virtual Litigator can cost-effectively, accurately, and unbiasedly predict the outcome of anticipated or pending litigation, even if the case hasn't been filed yet. This includes predicting key metrics like outcome, cost, quantum, and duration. This is a bold claim, and it's something that many have tried to achieve before. The challenge with case prediction is that disputes are inherently human affairs, filled with unpredictable elements. As we've explored in previous articles, it's difficult to account for all the variables that can influence a case outcome. People settle unexpectedly, witnesses recant their testimony, judges change their minds, and insurance companies suddenly adopt a different approach to risk. All of these factors can throw even the most sophisticated prediction models off course. However, for more simple disputes with a ton of past data from very similar cases, there's a much more solid foundation for prediction. The key is having enough data to model with confidence and acknowledging that human behavior can never be totally predictable. Braegen AI states that they focus on data-backed litigation and settlement strategies, with a comprehensive library of data points available about a case. This allows lawyers and clients to approach litigation and settlement armed with precise knowledge about the value of a claim, leading to faster and/or larger settlements. This is where the power of data analytics comes into play. By analyzing vast amounts of historical data, Braegen AI aims to identify patterns and trends that can help predict case outcomes. This can give lawyers a significant advantage in negotiations and settlement discussions. It can also help clients make more informed decisions about whether to pursue litigation or seek alternative dispute resolution methods. Interestingly, Braegen AI suggests that better outcome prediction could even change legal business models. As users become more comfortable with the accurate predictions provided by Virtual Litigator, they may elect to move from traditional hourly-based billing models to hybrid or contingency fee billing paradigms, where they share more lucrative upside without any increased risk. This is a potentially transformative idea. If lawyers can accurately predict the outcome of a case, they can be more confident in taking on cases on a contingency fee basis, which aligns their interests with those of their clients. It could also lead to more innovative billing models that reward lawyers for achieving successful outcomes. Christopher Delise, Braegen AI's chairman and chief executive officer, stated that it has taken them nearly 8 years to build Virtual Litigator. He also mentioned that it's the first of a series of transformative products that will be launched over the next 18 months, which will revolutionize legal tech, commercial intelligence and investigations, and threat assessment. This is a bold vision, and it remains to be seen whether Braegen AI can deliver on its promises. However, the potential impact of accurate case prediction on the legal industry is enormous. If they can crack this problem, they're onto something truly transformative for the world of disputes. So, what are the key takeaways from all of this? First, AI is rapidly transforming the legal landscape, impacting everything from contract management to litigation strategy. Second, there's a growing debate about the appropriate limits of AI in legal work, with some advocating for speed and efficiency above all else, while others emphasize the importance of ethical considerations and human oversight. Third, companies like Braegen AI are pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI, attempting to solve some of the most challenging problems in the legal field, like case prediction. The future of law is undoubtedly intertwined with AI, and it's crucial for legal professionals to stay informed and adapt to these changes. The convergence of AI and law is not just a trend. It's a paradigm shift. We're moving towards a future where AI assists lawyers in making more informed decisions, streamlining their workflows, and providing better service to their clients. However, it's also important to remember that AI is a tool, and like any tool, it can be used for good or ill. It's up to us to ensure that AI is used ethically and responsibly in the legal field. This requires ongoing dialogue, collaboration, and a commitment to upholding the principles of justice and fairness. The legal profession is at a crossroads, and the choices we make today will shape the future of law for generations to come. That's all for this week's Friday follow-on. We covered a lot of ground, from LegalOn's focus on speed to Juro's exploration of AI limits and Braegen AI's ambitious case prediction tool. What are your thoughts on the AI revolution in legal tech? Do you think AI will ultimately replace lawyers, or will it simply augment their abilities? Let us know in the comments below. Also, don't forget to check out the webinars from LegalOn and Juro, and be sure to explore Simple AI and Braegen AI's virtual litigator. And if you're in the legal tech space, consider attending the Legal Innovators California Conference. Thanks for watching, and have a great weekend. We'll catch you next time with more AI insights.